take out the machine and its fittings. Use screwdriver to install the fittings holder on the machine according to sizes of threaded holes. There are 2 spare fuses. When the fuse inside the machine is blown, the spare one can be used. Use screwdriver to take out the blown fuse and then install the spare one. Install EMS patches. Connect the 2 electrodes at one end of the nine to the EMS patches. Install breast patches. Connect the 2 electrodes at one end of the nine to the breast patches. Connect the other end of the nine to the machine. Put the patches on the fittings holder in an orderly way. Install power 9. After checking all fittings are installed properly, press power switch. After the machine is turned on, the home interface or the EMS interface will appear. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. 30 minutes is recommended. Energy level range 0 to 3. 1 to 3 is recommended. There are corresponding buttons for adjusting energy level for each pair of patches. Please note, energy level must be adjusted based on individual endurance. Please note, if the customer receives only EMS treatment, the working time can be prolonged. If the patches work in conjunction with hand techniques or other handle operation, the operation time can be controlled within reasonable range. Wrap the binding strips around the breast moderately tight. Apply some gel evenly to the EMS patches. Fix the patches on the fat of treatment area. Choose 1 to 3 pairs of patches for use based on the size of treatment area. Press the Start button. Press the Stop button. Take out the patches and then untie binding strips. Wipe the treatment area clean. Rest patch function. The function interface is the same with EMS patches. If 2 breast patches are used simultaneously, a pair of EMS patches should be detached, and then connect the breast patches to the electrodes. Choose corresponding buttons for adjusting energy level of patches. Set time at 30 minutes. Set energy level at 1 to 3. Energy level must be adjusted based on individual endurance. Wrap the binding strips around the breast. Apply some gel evenly to the patches. Fix the patches on the treatment area. Press the Start button. Press Stop button. Take out the patches and then untie binding strips. Wipe the treatment area clean. Use normal C9 to clean the instrument after operation for the use next time.